Hello all, welcome back my dear fellow travelers. Today we are embarking on an exciting adventure to one of the most picturesque hill stations in India, that is Mahabaleshwar. Let's start our adventure by immersing ourselves in the natural splendor that Mahabaleshwar has to offer. Mahabaleshwar is a hill station nested in the western ghats of Maharashtra. The lush green hills, cascading waterfalls, and the mist-covered valleys create a mesmerizing atmosphere. Certainly, here are some exciting things to do in Mahabaleshwar. We can explore the scenic viewpoint. Mahabaleshwar is known for its stunning viewpoint that offers breathtaking panoramic views. Famous viewpoints like Arthur Seat, Wilson Point, Elephant's Head Point, and many to soak in the mesmerizing beauty of the surrounding hills, valleys, and lakes. Here we visited Elephant's Head Point. The Elephant's Head Point got its name as it resembled the head and trunk of the elephant. You can notice on the picture. The gap between the elephant's head and the trunk looks like a needle point when viewed from the far, thus giving it the name Needle Point also. To the top of the needle point can be visited by car, taxis or autos. The visiting hours is from 9 am to 6 pm. For the tip point, walking distance is around 250 to 300 meters. The breathtaking view of Venna Lake flows between Sahyadri Hills can be seen from the top of Elephant Head Point. And by walking around 300 meters, a needle point can be viewed which resembles just like Elephant Head, which is surrounded by a Sahyadri Hills. As you can see, the most beautiful view of Sahyadri Hills. And we visited the needle point by evening time, and as we are lucky to see a beautiful sunset over the Sahyadris. Next in Mahabaleshwar, one can indulge in delicious berries. Did you know that Mahabaleshwar is renowned for its delicious berries? Here you can taste varieties of berries and enjoy that taste at an affordable price. At the local market, berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, mulberries, cranberries, goji berries and many varieties, and can also head to the local strawberry farms to pick fresh strawberries to enjoy their sweetness. Don't miss try the different berries at its local taste and the mouth-watering famous strawberry with ice cream dish, a must try in Mahabaleshwar. Next in Mahabaleshwar we can visit the ancient Mahabaleshwar temple. Mahabaleshwar also holds a great religious significance. The ancient Mahabaleshwar temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in Old Mahabaleshwar. Explore its architecture, witness the religious rituals and experience a sense of peace and spirituality in the serene abundance of the temple. Near this temple, one can also visit a Panchaganga temple, which is said to be 4,500 years old temple, where the 5 holy rivers named Krishna, Koyana, Veena, Savitri and Gayatri are originates from this place. Next in Mahabaleshwar, one can visit waterfalls. Mahabaleshwar is home to several picturesque waterfalls, especially Lingamala waterfall, with its cascading waters and misty atmosphere, is a perfect spot to unwind and connect with nature. You can also enjoy a refreshing dip in the natural pools formed by these waterfalls. Next, can take a boat ride in Venna Lake. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride in the serene waters of Venna Lake. Rent a pedal boat or a rowboat and explore the lake while taking in the scenic beauty around you. Next, can visit Pratapgad Fort. Mahabaleshwar is not just about the stunning landscapes, it's also home to several hidden gems that are worth exploring. A historic marvel, Pratapgad Fort, located about 22 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar. To get to this fort, you need to climb 450 to 500 steps. Explore the fort's architecture and enjoy the panoramic views from its vantage points. Next, some other things to do in Mahabaleshwar are trek to Canot Peak. If you enjoy hiking and adventure, embark on a trek to Canot Peak. It offers a challenging yet rewarding trekking experience and treats you to breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. And also can visit Pratap Singh Park, can go horse riding along the way and explore Macro Garden, local market and so on. There are many beautiful things to explore in Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is a haven for nature lovers. Take a time to relax, rejuvenate and immerse yourself in the serene abundance of this beautiful hill station. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.